Where are we going?
Battle on Bama.
Where?
Battle on Bama.
All right, folks. So we have embarked on our journey to Battle in Bama. Who's excited? Everybody's excited. Jack, you excited? Jack looks so excited. He didn't pay any attention.
I'm even excited.
I know you are. We are down south of Atlanta near Noonan, about to jump off, meet Rick, and I don't know, some others. Maybe Chad Rackley, some of those folks. So we're in Gus. We got the Airstream in tow because we're actually camping on the grounds at Battle in Bama, which I think is pretty cool. So we'll be doing that through Saturday, and then we're gonna head to a state park near the beach, get these kids in the ocean. It's got probably 4 hours from here, barring no issues. So we got the AC back working in Gus. You can't feel it, but it's blowing cool. So I'm excited about that. All right, we're gonna roll up in here and see what trucks are here, and then get rolling. So here they are. Old Chad's got his on the trailer with Pecos's old wheels. Woo wee! Y'all know the man, SQRBDY's up in here.
What's up?
This bumped. He's getting our walkie-talkies ready, it looks like. It's a special surprise. I didn't even know you had that.
I just don't even know what I'm doing now.
Yeah, me either. All right, so we're gonna finish getting gas. Everybody's here. We're in Noonan and we're about to roll. Where are we going?
Battle on Bama.
Gus is doing okay. After we go on these long stretches of, 70, 75 miles an hour with a turbo 400 up, mind you. When you come off the interstate, it kind of has this little blah thing, so I don't know exactly what's going on. It's got some oil pressure fluctuation when you're at idle. Could be in the gauge, not exactly sure. Thing's staying cool as can be though, running like 200 at the most. That's with the AC on and, like I said, 70, 75 miles an hour. So we're gonna go over here and meet up with Rick real quick, get some gas, and then I think we're like, I don't know, 40, 50 miles out, 50 miles out. And there goes that guy. How far out are we, like 50 miles? Yeah, so we're not too bad. Y'all didn't know, this is Rick's other ride. I've seen it in some videos, but chase truck, Sarah helms it. Ooh, and the one thing I forgot, a jack. And this is what I've been doing a lot on this trip, is getting gas. Because this thing has a 16-gallon tank, but actually has two 16-gallon tanks, but one's messed up. Rick could go like the whole trip, right?
Yeah.
He could make 5 hours on both tanks.
No, I'm grateful for it, because I always have to pay.
Yeah, they do too, always. All right, so I think we're definitely burning a little oil. We're having some oil pressure issues as well. It does not look like that we are low on oil. We'll run that back through there, but it does not look like we are. All the more reason to get this thing Duramax swapped. Yeah, so we're full. That's good. All right, so we're gonna hit the road and try to get all the way there. Definitely leaking some oil from that rear main seal. I don't know if you can see that over there, but that right there is oil from the rear main seal.
You have a hole in your glove.
I do. I've got on these gloves so I can get in the engine bay. But they do fit me. They've just got holes in them because I use them a lot. Keeps my hands from getting all burned. All right, we're coming out of the tunnel, and there's the sign for Battleship Park.
Look at those flames.
This is cool. How you doing, man?
Good, how about you?
Doing all right. You here for the car show?
we're standing here at registration, about to go get the camper put in its spot, waiting on Craig to come back and show me where we're gonna do the vendor spot. So we're gonna go do that, show you what's up. It's Friday afternoon. We made it to Battle in Bama. Hey, do you mind if I get as far under that tree as I can, if I can?
It's all you.
Okay, sweet.
But you need to survey the land.
I know.
Make sure you're not soft.
Yep.
Go check everything out. Back it in there. You know where your stall is. You know where you're.
Yeah, Rick told me. Yep. Yep, we're good. Thanks, Craig. Okay, I'm pleased to announce that Craig put us in a sweet spot. So we're right here where obviously some of the other campers and toter homes and all that stuff are. And the show is all that way. So like there's all the C10 stuff. There's some trucks over here. But we tried to get into some shade here, not block anybody from putting their truck in. But we're gonna set up right here, get the family out, get the generator going, and then we gotta find some water.
We're over here out of the way.
Sorry, I didn't see you coming.
You're fine.
All right, guys, we made it. It's been a fun day.
It's hot.
It's hot. Me and Rick totally soaked. Jackson ain't done a thing. He ain't even wet.
Yeah.
No.
But,
What's up, man? What's up?
but we are. And there's Jay Akers. What's up, dude? What in the world did you find?
This thing's fun to fit right in.
Yeah. What is that?
It's a little 125 Grom.
Grom. I'm about to hit my head on something. Mike and them over there?
Mike and them left. He went to buy some kind of tool. Like he was meeting some dude down here to get a tool.
Oh gosh.
I don't know.
Yeah. We made it to Battle in Bama. Jay's here with all his toys. And I don't know. We'll catch up with y'all tomorrow. Let's do that. Okay, folks. So we got the two generators up and going. We got it set on 68, but check out the inside temp in here. 90 degrees. So the two 2200 watt generators seem to be doing it. We got the refrigerator back on. We got lights on. Sarah's.
I'm sweating. My bread is sweating.
We're all just having a real struggle. Cue the music.